Hazrat Atta did not find any harm in making twines and ropes with it here, in the leftover of a dog and they are passing through a mosque. Zuhuri said, if a dog puts his muzzle in a pot and there is not any water except this, one should perform ablution with it. Sufyan Thuri says, this verdict is absolutely according to the commandment of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. When you do not get water, perform dry ablution. Surah Al-Ma'idah, verse 6. And this is also water, as it creates scruple in the heart. Let one perform ablution with it and perform dry ablution too. Hazrat Ibn Sirin reports, I said to Hazrat Ubaidah radiyallahu anhu, we have some hair of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam that we got from Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu or from his family. He said, if I had even a single hair out of those hair, it would have been dearer to me than the whole world and whatsoever exists in it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 170.